Hi all, in our last video we talked about parameters in Sigma, and today's video we'll talk about how we refer a parameter in a formula. So I have shown you this snapshot in which if we select any matrix in this select matrix parameter, like if we select SRP, then this bar chart display will show you the month-wise SRP, and if I select VDP, then it will show me the month-wise VDP. And also the legend is defined here is realm. So basically they are showing me the VDP for every month for each realm. So we'll try to create this. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to add an element which will be a visualization of bar chart type. And for the x-axis, I'll select the month of date. And for the y-axis, we will refer the parameter. So we will use a switch function here. So you will write like switch. So basically what this switch function will do, basically it will return the result corresponding to the first matching value. So in switch function, first I'll refer the value. The value will be the parameter that I have defined, that is select matrix 2, and if the parameter value I have selected is SRP, then it should show me the sum of SRPs. And if I select VDP in the parameter, it should show me the sum of VDPs. And now we will just rename this to be like matrix, and also we'll change its title to be matrix display. And now what we'll do, we'll just, for the color, we will select it by category, and for the categories we will define the realms here. Now if I select SRP in this matrix, what the switch function will do, it will I said that it will return the first matching value. So I have selected SRP in the select matrix parameter, so it is giving me the sum of SRP. Just we'll enable the data labels for this bar chart. So from here I will enable the data label, and also we can like see those numbers in the SI units also to change its format to be SI unit. So now you can say if I am selecting SRP here, so this matrix display bar chart is showing me the realm wise and the month wise SRPs. And if I select VDP here, so it is showing me the VDPs for every month and for each realm. So this is how we refer parameters in any formula using different types of function. Like if you need, you can use if you can use switch function also. So this is how parameters work when we refer them in a formula, and they play a vital role in creating these switches and also changing across the matrices. If you want to see just SRP, you can just see the SRP, and if you want to see the VDP, you can just see the VDP. So this is how it works. That's it for this video, and in our next video we'll talk about the drill element of Sigma. So basically in this snapshot you can say there is this a metric drill in which we can switch between realm, year, quarter, months. So in our next video we'll talk about this. Thank you.